Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the images and placing them in one folder so the system won't search everywhere. Make sure the images are at or above your screen resolution. That preserves sharpness when set as wallpaper. If you want a slideshow, decide the order and file name sequence now. Once done, right-click a sample image to verify it opens correctly in the default viewer. That confirms the file type. These quick checks prevent blurry or incompatible wallpapers. You now change the wallpaper through personalization so Windows applies settings reliably. Select background type and then pick the image or folder. When you choose slideshow, set an interval and shuffle to keep it fresh. Make sure to set the fit option to match your screen. Fill usually works for single monitors, while fit or center can help with odd aspect ratios. Once configured, lock and unlock or sign out to confirm the display acts as expected. Finish by confirming resolution and scaling in display settings so the image isn't cropped or pixelated. If you have multiple monitors, choose individual wallpapers per display or span a single image across them. This avoids odd cropping. If the wallpaper won't change, check file permissions to ensure your account can read the image, confirm theme or sync settings aren't overriding it, and update graphics drivers if needed. One quick tip: sign out and back in.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.